All black man, black tractor on my farm. Got a couple Cowboys cars up on my arm. Don't need ADP, this shotgun's my alarm. And I let that thing sing like the strings on my guitar. Yeah.
Alright, so today is day 4 of Caleb's baseball camp. If y'all wanna know where day 1, 2, 3 at, I just didn't record it. I was gonna do it, but again, it's one of the things where if I'm recording myself, I can't really enjoy the moment. So thankfully I have somebody along with me to help me. What?
Is that why when we went to the game you barely recorded?
Yeah, I got some clips of that. I might have my good old buddy here. Now I got my boy David with me, bro. I might have David slide them clips in there. But yeah, thumbs up, there you go. But yeah, we went to the baseball game and the Astros game, and I was gonna record a whole little vlog, but I've been trying to record vlogs, y'all. Just like I said,
3 hours.
The baseball game?
Yeah.
Boy,
No, not the game.
You talking about the train? Oh, out there, the camp?
Yeah.
3 hours in the sun, bro. The last 2 days has been like horrible. Like I've been in the shade and still drenched in sweat. I don't know what's going on. It's weird. But so yeah, this is his last day at this camp. We've been going to batting cages. Every day he been getting way better. He been getting better at catching, throwing, hitting, all within like a 4-day span, 3-day span. Cause it's the 4th day. So we're gonna see how much. Ain't the 5th day, dog. You know, this camp only 4 days. But next week he going to another camp. So that's gonna be dope. You know what I'm saying?
How long is it every day?
Next week, it's long, bro. It's like from, I think what you said, from 9 to 2:30. It's like a school day.
2:30. That's not even close to my school.
Oh, well, you stay after school.
6 a.m. to 6 p.m.
No, that's because you stay after school. How long is your actual school? Exactly.
6 hours.
All right then. That's about right.
And sometimes I stay there 12, and I don't like it.
So yeah, man. We got the other camp coming up. We went to, like I said, we went to a few Astros games. See, what I did was this. Took him to an Astros game. We had fun, right?
You recorded like one.
But when we went to the first Astros game, did you understand anything?
Huh?
Did you understand baseball when we went to the first Astros game?
What is that?
When we went to the first Astros game, did you understand baseball? Did you understand the rules and what was going on?
Barely.
Yeah, barely. All right. But what about when we went to the second game?
A
little bit more, right? So the first game we went to, I could tell he didn't really understand, but we was just having fun. Then we went to another game, like the next day, I think, or day after that.
Looking at the board the whole time.
And then he started understanding like rules, and then
I didn't watch the game. I just looked at the board.
he be looking at the board instead of the actual game. And we got like real good tickets, so it's like, if you don't look at the board, we could have went way up there. You know what I'm saying? But so then since he been in a baseball camp, what you feel like you understand baseball way more now? Yeah. So but we'll show. I'll probably again throw some more clips to Dave so he can throw them in the video so y'all can pretty much see how he progressed. And yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The phone clips, I'm gonna go ahead and slide those. But so y'all better see how much in 3 days he's learned. And we've been hitting the batting cages like every day too, so that helped. So
you see the one that I hit. The ball.
It hit me, but you can't tell it hit me. It just, you see the ball coming my way. Yeah. So day 4, we're gonna see how it goes. So I guess I'll see it when we get there. Who got hit in the face?
Remember?
Nah.
No.
Remember you got hit in the face?
Huh?
Remember you got hit in the face?
Remember you did.
I got hit in the face? By a ball? Nah. When we first started learning, when we started playing catch in the front yard, I threw the ball up high, he ran to get it. That boy missed it. That ball ain't miss him though, almost knocked his damn teeth
And that's why I was scared of it.
Yeah, he was good. And then it's crazy because I think my whole life playing baseball, I ain't never getting in the face with no baseball. Shit. I think it was that big glove, I ain't gonna lie. I'll take fault. I think once you got that smaller glove, you was able to control, or at least see where the ball is and stuff. You had that big love. It was sketchy every time you went to catch it. I'm tired.
And why do you think I cried? Because it hit my tooth?
So,
Or because it hit me?
you a crybaby. That's why.
It hit my tooth.
So, what that mean?
Oh, what's in baseball?
It's like this. If I pinch you, you gonna cry?
No.
Is the pain gonna go away?
No.
It's cap. It's the same. Applies to again. Cause like this, if it ain't broke or torn, the pain gonna go away.
What if you have a sprain?
Okay. But a sprain, you shouldn't cry with no sprain.
What do you mean?
Because the pain's gonna go away unless you.
It isn't.
It does. It go away unless you
It's
still
the
put a pressure
thing
on
I
it.
couldn't write as well.
You couldn't write.
I sprained my left hand.
Oh, but you right-handed.
Yeah.
So what they gotta do anything?
Then what do I do? Anytime I wrote, it was pain. The pain didn't go away.
Why you talking like that?
And it still hurt.
You talking like a 5-year-old. Yeah. Nah, bro. Pain temporary. Unless you broke something or you torn the muscle, even then the pain go away. Maybe not broke. I don't know. I ain't never broke now. But I done torn a muscle before. Torn a ligament. You don't want to know. I'll explain it later. But yeah, right. If you get hit by a baseball, there's no reason why you should be crying minutes later. Like, it happened. It's over with. Like, why are you still crying? You crying about the thought of getting hit?
No.
What are you crying for?
It hit
The pain happened already. It's gone. Once it hit your lip, it's gonna hurt for like a little bit, then it's gone.
It hit my lip and my tooth.
So your tooth is hurting.
That looked like
Cap. Anyways, bro, once the pain is gone, you should not be crying no more.
I wasn't crying when the pain.
I know, that's what I'm saying. We're on the same page.
But I wasn't crying. I cried.
You cried, so you was crying.
But I stopped.
Okay, we on the same page. What we talking about?
So why were you mad at that?
I wasn't mad. Who was mad? I was mad when you told me when we was playing catch, you got hit in your mouth. I was not mad.
You didn't.
I said, hey, it's over. It happened, it's over with. Come on.
So
That was it. I wasn't mad. Just 'cause my voice get loud, don't mean I'm mad.
baseball.
Boy, when? You tell me we was playing catch? We gonna keep going back and forth about this?
You know what's in the baseball?
Oh my God. Answer this.
It's not rubber bands.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Baseball's made out of rubber.
No, it isn't.
Yes, they are.
No, it isn't.
That ass Siri, she'll tell you.
You can't.
What they made out of? Concrete?
No, no. What's it inside?
Rubber.
Hey Siri. What's inside of a baseball?
Baseball is made up of inning.
What is that?
That's how you say rubber in Chinese.
No, it isn't.
I don't know what the hell she said. Hey, dog, look. It don't matter. The point is, when the pain is over, stop crying. At that point, you just crying because something happened. Golly.
Here's what I found.
Bro, baseball's made of rubber. You know how long I've been on Earth? You don't think I know what baseball's made out of? I play baseball, bro. What do you think they're made out of then? Yeah. Rubber.
I said what's in it.
Say, hey Siri, what's inside of a baseball?
Hey Siri, what's inside of a baseball?
Baseball is made up of inning.
She's retarded. Okay. Well.
But what's inside of a baseball?
There are 10 MLB games for today.
Okay. Shit, she said innings, like, you know, baseball innings?
Yeah.
Yeah, she knows what she's talking about. She don't know what you talking about. Point is, man, it happened, it's over with. That's my point. I don't know what your point is. I'm trying to understand it. I understand baseballs are hard and it hurt,
Hey
but my
Siri,
point is.
who are you?
Okay.
Didn't you say there was a bear?
A bear?
You remember that big, like, didn't
What are you talking about?
like a while ago you said a bear probably did that. You did.
Go back to sleep.
No, it wasn't.
What are you talking about? Why are you talking about bears now? You just be saying stuff.
No.
Alright.
There isn't that many people.
Yeah, because we 10 minutes early.
Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm.
My eardrums about to be loud.
Go ahead. Carry on. Make sure I ain't run over no kids. Hibbity. Ooh, boy, them parking skills is immaculate, boy. How close I got to the curb, man. I do that, boy. Doing it, boy. Alright, boy. Last 4 days of my life. Been out here on these hot ass bleachers. Burning up. Look at the sun beaming on me. I don't know, last time y'all see me, I was light skinned. Caramel now, you know what I'm saying? I'm dying out here. And I didn't realize that all I had was black shirts until I was in the sun every day. The next day I went to get in my closet. So hot already. The next day I went to look in my closet. All I got is black shirts, man. Black shirts. I got a bunch of different color hoodies, but I literally only have black shirts with different color words. So, yeah, that's tragic.
I'll give it to you. Everyone else to the side now. Got two? Alright, here we go. I drive. Ready? Right drive. Go. There you go. Next batter. Hit the back now. There it is. Look at that. 4. Go. Hurry, go down. I want to do this. My team doesn't get a point. 5 minutes. Oh, should be tight. Team gets a point. I'll keep going. Go. We go once. All right. Ready? Go. Make sure you're on the dot. You gotta take it home. Go.
do that, bro. Every time you do so, you look at me. Going higher and higher. Camp is over. That's a bet. How you feel like you did, Caleb? Yeah? I think you did great. I think you learned a lot. Definitely think you improved. What you asked for. Good. Good. Alright, man. Let's gotta do heat. Caleb.
Okay.
So what do you think about the whole camp? Yeah? What do you think about the awards?
Huh?
What do you think about the awards at the end?
I don't know.
You don't care?
No.
That's good.
I don't really want a shirt.
You don't want to what?
A shirt.
You don't care about not winning nothing?
I want to win something.
What about, did you hear what the awards were?
Yeah.
Damn. You don't feel like you deserve any of them?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Why are they making me so big?
I agree. I feel like at the end of the day, fuck them awards. It's about going out there, having fun, and getting better. And I feel like, you feel like you got better? You feel like you had fun? That's the award. Good up.
All black man, black tractor on my farm. Got a couple Cowboys cars up on my arm. Don't need ADP, this shotgun's my alarm. And I let that thing sing like the strings on my guitar. Yeah, yeah, yeah.